into the GitHub. And for those of you who are new to GitHub, actually GitHub is the web-based version controlling system for your code, and it can easily host your project code, and that's what we are going to do in this lecture. So to host your code into GitHub, you should create a GitHub account, and if you haven't created one, I suggest you to create one and log into it. And when you are logged in, you will see a page like this, and you should create a new repository by clicking on a new button and give this repository a name. In this case, I'm going to call it Django contact, and you can give it some description if you want, but I'm going to leave it empty and hit the create repository button. And now to push our code into this repository, all you have to do is type these commands. But before you type these commands, I want to do few extra setups in our Visual Studio Code. The first thing I want to do is that I want to create a git ignore file that will tell us not to push this env directory and this database file into our GitHub repository. And to do that, inside your context menu here, create a new file called .gitignore. And here you have to type the name of a virtual environment, in this case env class, and the name of this database file, in this case db.sqlite3. Now save it, and whenever we push our code to GitHub, it will not contain this env directory and this database file. And open up your terminal and activate your virtual environment. And if you type pip freeze, it will show the list of Python packages that we have used to create this project, and we will need these packages to run our code online. So we are going to copy these packages and create a new file in our projects that will be called requirements.txt, and paste those packages name here. Now save it, and we are ready to go. And now copy this first command and paste it on our bash code. What it will do is that it will initialize this directory as empty git repository, and after git init you have to type git add and dart, and now it will actually add all of these files and folders into the git. Now copy this line of code and paste it here. And copy the next line and also paste it in a bash shell. Now it might ask you to enter your GitHub username and password, so go ahead and do that. The next thing you want to do is copy this line and paste it inside the bash shell. Now it will actually push all these codes into our GitHub repository. So it has been done, and we are going to go back to our GitHub repository and refresh it. And you can see that our project has been uploaded to it. And also notice that we don't have this env directory, neither database file.